Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Wellness Guide Hub channel. Today we're diving into a viral food trend that took TikTok by storm: baked feta pasta. This dish seems simple enough. Throw some cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, and pasta in a baking dish and voila, a cheesy, delicious meal. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's separate the hype from the healthy to see if this trend is worth your time and taste buds. Let's start with the positives. Baking the feta cheese creates a creamy sauce, and olive oil, a healthy fat, is often used. Cherry tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, which can be beneficial for heart health. But before you get too excited, there are some things to consider. The amount of feta cheese in this dish can be quite high, leading to a hefty dose of sodium and saturated fat. Additionally, some variations of the recipe call for processed ingredients like pre-made pasta sauce, which can add unwanted sugars and sodium. It's also important to remember that portion control is key. While delicious, this dish can be calorie-dense, especially with added ingredients. The good news? There are ways to make this trend a bit healthier. Opt for whole wheat or lentil pasta for added fiber and protein. Use a smaller amount of feta cheese and focus on the natural flavors of the tomatoes. Add fresh herbs like basil or oregano for extra flavor without extra sodium. Consider a lighter protein source like grilled chicken or shrimp. So, the TikTok feta pasta, healthy or hype? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. The core concept, baked tomatoes and a bit of cheese, can be part of a healthy meal. But be mindful of portion sizes, choose whole food ingredients, and don't rely on processed additives. Remember, this dish is a fun and trendy recipe, but it shouldn't become your go-to meal. Focus on a balanced diet that incorporates a variety of healthy options. Thanks for joining us. Have you tried the feta pasta trend? Let us know in the comments below if you have any healthy tweaks to share. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips.